Welcome to Blooming Wildwood Homestead. I hope you are staying super busy. I know there is lots to be done and we've really been working hard to get some things accomplished around the homestead. One of the things that we're going to work on today is trying to put up a little bit of a bunny guard on the high tunnel. So as you might have seen in the intro, we have some little bunnies that are running around in this particular area, and I've got my lettuce and spinach that I have tried to start in the high tunnel, and as it comes up, it just keeps getting nibbled off. Now, eventually we are going to put ends onto the tunnel, but now that things are getting warmer, it's not a high priority right at the moment because we have other things that we're needing to take care of. So it is going to happen before we get to the fall and winter time, but right now I need some sort of protection to try to deter bunnies from getting in here. So we're gonna go ahead and see if we can rig something up that will do the trick. Now that we've got this down, it'll just add a nice little weed barrier and protection, just a buffer to try and keep this stuff nice and clean. We are going to give this a go. I picked up some poultry fence. It's a 3-foot by 25-foot. It's flexible and it feels more like plastic than wire, which typically I wouldn't love. However, with the polytunnel and the fact that it has the plastic sides up, I don't want to do anything that's going to puncture that plastic because we are going to put the end on here, and I just want to make sure that the plastic stays as nice as possible so that it will last as long as possible. So I'm going to try the poultry fencing and of course cable ties. You can't really go wrong with these. I have some assorted sizes, and I'm hoping that's going to be enough to keep the bunnies out. We'll see. We've got a little bit of sag in the middle, but I think the bunnies are still going to be able to stay out of there. I'm going to go ahead and tack a landscaping pin at the bottom, or a landscaping staple rather, at the bottom in a couple of spots just to make sure that it doesn't curl up and that they can't get over it. I hope you enjoyed today's video. What are some of your best strategies for keeping rabbits out of your garden? Or is that something that you even have a challenge with? Let me know in the comments down below. And if you enjoyed today's video, don't forget to like, and we would love to have you subscribe and be part of our community here at Blooming Wildwood Homestead. Until next time, bye everyone.